Welcome back. Today I have a special gift that came from Olivia at Hocwell. She sent me a compost bin to try out. So I thought I'd unbox it with you today and let's see what it looks like. They really wrapped it up well. There we go. Let's see. It says warning, don't suffocate yourself with the bag. Got it. Oh, how cute. Huh. I love it. It's stainless steel and it has a little push button to open. There's a little bin inside to put your compost. I put things for like tea bags and eggshells and everything that's extra from scraps when I'm cooking into usually some bag or in the sink. So now I have a container that I can put it in until I can walk it outside into my larger compost. This is amazing and awesome. I love it. So thank you, Hocwell, for sending this out to me. I am going to really enjoy this. It's gonna live over by my sink. I love the fact that it closes and it seals and it's attractive. Look at that. Super. Thank you. I'll leave you some links in the description below so you can order yourself a nice little composter also. I think everybody should have one. I think they're making it a law now all over that you need to start composting. So this is great. You should get one too.